divide. So basically permanent tissue, what happens basically, they see, meristematic tissues are there. When they lose their ability to divide, they get transformed into permanent tissues. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So see, this is what. When empty means when meristematic tissue takes specific role, these cells lose their ability to divide and provide elasticity and flexibility to the slender plant. So when basically meristematic tissue lose the ability to divide, they get changed into this permanent tissue. So what this process is known as, this is a process, and this process is known as differentiation. So first of all, what you will write? You will write hashtag differentiation, and then you will write this. When empty means meristematic tissue lose the ability to divide, right? They form permanent tissue, right? This process of taking a permanent shape, size, and function is called differentiation. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very important.
Done, ma'am.
Now coming to, as now we'll be discussing one by one, right? So permanent tissue, they are divided into simple and the complex one. Okay. So simple basically, so let's just divide it, like discuss it one by one. Okay. Oh, wait. This. So first of all, simple permanent cells. A few layer of cell beneath the epidermis are generally simple permanent tissue. Okay, so these are the simple permanent tissue. So you can see if there is a layer. So like you can say here, from here itself, simple permanent tissue will start, right? Parenchyma is most common simple permanent tissue. Okay, the second point. Then it consists of relatively unspecialized cell with thin cell wall. They are living cells. They are usually loose, arranged thus large space between them are found in the tissue. This tissue generally stores in food in some situation. It contains chlorophyll and perform photosynthesis, and then it is called chlorenchyma. Okay, this is basically the theory. So instead of going for a theory, we will write few things. So first of all, simple tissue. So what you will write first of all, you will write this simple permanent tissue, and then you will write this. A few layer of cell beneath the epidermis are generally simple permanent tissue. Okay, and under simple permanent tissue, we are going to study parenchyma, collenchyma, scalenchyma. Okay, so first of all, write simple permanent tissue, right? And then this definition till here, and then we'll start with parenchyma. Done, girls? This part, one line.
Ma'am.
Okay. So now coming to parenchyma. Okay, so parenchyma has few, you can say, characteristics. So we'll write everything in short. Okay, detailing. See, if they'll be asking you the characteristics of parenchyma, of course you don't have to write alive. You have to write parenchyma is alive, right? So this is basically the notes. So first of all, parenchyma is not dead cell; it is alive. Plus polygonal cells. So its shape is polygonal. Okay. Next, parenchyma has central vacuole. Okay. Next, loosely packed, like they have space between them. Like parenchyma have space between them. They are loosely packed. Plus, next is store food. Parenchyma stores food plus support. Plus support means plus gives support. So you will write gives support. Okay. Because of what, or because of which material is present in parenchyma, that is give support. So parenchymatous cells, parenchyma perform these two functions. Then parenchyma is also known as chloroplast. When parenchyma is known as chlorochyma, help in photosynthesis. When in a parenchyma, when this chloroplast is present, it is known as chlorenchyma. Okay, and that helps in photosynthesis. So over here you will see in the NCERT book itself, it is written this. This. In some situation, it contains chlorenchyma and perform photosynthesis, and then it is called chlorenchyma. Okay, clear? And next, in aquatic plants, the large air cavities are present in parenchyma to help them float. Such parenchyma are called aerenchyma. So parenchyma is also known as, is of two types. One is chlorenchyma, when it is known as chlorenchyma when it contains chlorophyll, and when it is known as aerenchyma when airbags are cavities are there, and because of which it floats in the water. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, what you will write till here, only till here. Okay, and after that, these 2 points you'll be writing from book. Okay, alive plus polygonal shape, central vacuole, loosely packed. Okay, store food plus give support because of parenchymatous cells till here only. Okay, be very quick. Okay. After this, you will write these 2 points. This. In some situation, it contains chlorophyll and perform photosynthesis, and then it is called chlorenchyma. You will underline this. Okay, this point and then this point. In aquatic plants, large air cavities are present in parenchyma to help them float. Such parenchyma type is called aerenchyma. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so now let's just move to the second part, which is your this colonchima. Okay. Hmm. So colonchima first out, stressed out plus leaving and has less gap. Okay. Cell wall made up of peptine and cellulose. Colonchima is found in marginal region of leaves plus stems. Offer flexibility, structure framework, and mechanical support. Okay, so over here I can understand that few words are not that much clear. So in case if you're not getting it, you can just let me know. I'll just tell you what is written. Okay, so I'm just again explaining it. So colonchima is basically stressed out. Okay, leaving, it's a leaving, it's made up of leaving cells. Okay, and has less gap. Over parenchyma, what we got, like it has so much gap, right? But here it is less gap. Then cell wall made up of the cell wall of colonchima is made up of peptine and cellulose. Okay. Then colonchima is found in marginal region of leaves and stems. So basically, for example, this is leaves. So margin. Okay. And what colonchima do basically offer flexibility plus structural framework and plus mechanical support to the plant. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to next, which is sclerenchyma. So sclerenchyma is basically elongated. Plus over here it has dead cells. Okay, everyone collenchyma and the parenchyma have living cell, but here dead cell. Why? Now the question is why. In 1 mark they can ask you why everyone has living cell. Why sclerenchyma has dead cell? Due to ligand on the cell wall. There is a substance called ligand. Okay, or ligand is the pronunciation. Okay, on the cell wall. So because of this, what he usually do, because of this, the cells they cannot live alive and they dies. Okay. Then no intercellular gap. So over here, see in parenchyma, it has so much gas, more gas. Oh, sorry, more gap, and here less gap, but here no gap, nothing. Less gap means yeah, it has space, but not that much. But here no intercellular gap. Next, found in covering. Where it is found? Covering of nut. Okay, around vascular tissues and stems and veins of leaves. So where is usually found? Covering of the seeds. So you have seen the coconut, it is very tough, right? You can say very hard, right? Why? Because of the presence of sclerenchyma. Okay, and next provides strength to the plant. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, coming to this, we are done with the part of parenchyma. Okay. Like the simple part we are done. Now we will be doing the complex part. Okay. So let's just start with this, the complex part. Okay. Every time I'm just opening this. Okay. So let's just discuss the mm, complex part. Okay. See, the different type of tissue we have discussed until now are made up of only one type of cells. Right? Such tissues are called simple permanent tissues. They are made up of only one type of cell. That's why they are simple. But yet another type of permanent tissue is complex tissues. Okay, so permanent tissue, like if they are made up of single type of cell, then they are simple. If they are made up of yet another type of permanent tissue is complex tissue. Complex tissues are made of more than one type of cell. All these cells coordinate to perform a common function. See, though they are made up of different type of cell, but they coordinate with each other and they perform common function. Clear? So you will write complex tissues and then you will write complex tissues are made up of more than one type of cell. All the cells coordinate to perform a common function. Clear? Okay, done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So now basically we have two things. One is your xylem and one is your flower. Okay. So let's just discuss that only. So before starting that, we'll be doing it from end. So what are the basically things? See, xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Okay, tracheids and vessels are thick. So first of all, you have to understand very important that what xylem consists and what phloem consists. So first of all, xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. First point. Then tracheids and vessels have thick wall and many are dead cells when mature. Okay. Tracheids and vessels are tabular structure. This allow them to transport water and mineral vertically. Okay. The parenchyma stores food. Xylem fibers are mainly supportive in function. Okay. So these are basically all the things about everyone. Tracheids, vessels, and xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. So what they are doing? See. First of all, you should remember what they are doing. Okay, what the xylem consists of. It consists of tracheids. What tracheids do? Basically, tracheids and vessel. Tracheids and vessel have thick wall and many are dead cells when mature. So tracheids and vessels are tabular structure and this allows them to transport water and mineral vertically. Vertically they are talking. Okay, so what tracheids and vessel basically do? They do transport water and mineral vertically. Clear? These two clear. Now xylem parenchyma. So xylem parenchyma stores food. Clear? Getting the point? Right? And then xylem fiber. Xylem fibers are mainly supportive in function. So how you will write? You will write xylem. Okay. Then you will write xylem consists of first of all the name tracheids and all that. Then one by one you will write tracheids and vessel the function. Then second xylem parenchyma the function. Then xylem fiber then the function. Clear? Clear? Yes, no? Okay, I hope it's clear how you have to make notes. Okay, first of all, you will write xylem and about it till here that it consists of this and this. Then from here, you will write tracheids and vessels have thick and all that. And basically, what they do, they transport water and mineral vertically. So you will write they transport water and mineral, and then parenchyma stores food, and this is the supportive function. So quickly write it down.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to phloem. So phloem is made up of 5 type of cells: sieve cells, sieve tubes, companion cell, phloem fiber, and phloem parenchyma. Okay. So what sieve tubes are tubular cells with perforated walls. Okay. So these is the okay. Then coming to phloem. Phloem transport food from leaves to other parts of the plant. Okay. Except phloem fiber, other phloem cells are living. Clear? So this is what you will write the characteristics of sieve. Basically, xylem transport water and mineral and water, right? But phloem transport food. Okay, from one part to another. Uh, it have sieve tube, sieve cells, all of this thing. Everyone is living cell, but phloem fiber is dead cell. Clear? So you will write it down. First you will write phloem, then you will write the part it is made up of, then you will write this, and then this. Oh, wait. Okay, you can start right.